Hi guys, this is Koby from Performance Toyota in Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to show you how to sync up your iPhone to your Toyota Camry. On this video we're going to be demonstrating it on a 2017 Camry. Most of our models do have the Entune 2.0 in there here, so this will be a very familiar interface that you'll be seeing throughout most of our vehicles. So today what you're going to want to do is hit the Apps button, go to General, and then click Bluetooth. At that time, it will prompt you to click the Add button to add another device. You're going to click Add. At this time, it sends a Bluetooth signal out. You're going to want to go into your iPhone, click on the Bluetooth setting, turn it on or make sure that it's already on. Scroll down to the bottom and it should say hands-free. At that time, you're going to click hands-free. It will pair with the vehicle. The vehicle will prompt you with a couple of questions as far as connecting it, if it wants to read your messages, or if you want your contacts imported, or even your phone, your music imported. So at that time, it'll walk you through a couple of steps as you'll see in our video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at www.performancetoyotapa.com or 610-678-3425.